Hey, what's up guys? In my last video, I showed you the mod I did for the back cover in order to improve the Ally thermals. While it significantly lowered temperatures, many of you commented on its appearance being ugly and very brutal. But today, however, I'm shifting gears to discuss a different topic, which is upgrading the APU thermal paste to an high-end one from Corsair, specifically the XTM70. We'll also see some performance comparison to see if it's worth it or not. Now with that being said, I'll get started with the process. As you can see on my Ally, I noticed that the pre-applied thermal paste is not covering the entire surface and it has dried out. It's actually crumbling in my hand. I'm not sure if that's typical for this kind of whatever solution they applied, but I think it's quite strange. Now before running the performance test, I'll go over my setup. In Armory Crate, I have a manual power plan with all power limits set to 30 watts and a flat fan curve at 75%. As for the ambient temperature, it's 23 Celsius. Also for those curious about this cooling stand that I have, there's a separated video of it. You can check that out by clicking the link above. Now let's jump into the test. I'll be driving around in Night City for 30 minutes and then we'll compare the results against the stock thermal paste. Be right back. And here we are. The minimum recorded temperature was 57 Celsius for the CPU and 55 for the GPU. That's about a reduction of 2 degrees compared to the stock paste. While that's great, in my opinion, it may not be worth voiding your warranty for reducing 2 degrees. But if you are already taking apart your Ally for another reason or don't care about the warranty, upgrading the thermal paste will provide you a small but meaningful improvement. And that wraps up this video. Did you expect these results? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to stay updated with all Ally latest content. See you in the next one.